Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaica's largest banana and plantain producer, JP Farms, has reported almost complete destruction of its St. Mary operations following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. This is the second straight year of major hurricane-related damage suffered by the company. Initial assessments show that Hurricane Melissa caused an estimated near 100% loss across the company's banana and plantain farms. Despite the devastation, PBCJ Group, parent company of JP Farms, has pledged to immediately invest in recovery efforts. This follows a $250 million injection last year to restart production and restore profitability after Beryl's impact. PBCJ's Vice Chairman and CEO Jeffrey Hall told RJR News that the company remains steadfast in its commitment to Jamaica's agricultural sector and to support families in the parish. In response to the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa, Appfinity Technologies Limited has officially launched Relief Talk Jamaica, www.relieflinkja.com, a digital relief mapping and management platform. The platform provides a seamless bridge between donors, relief agencies, and government partners, ensuring that aid reaches those most in need swiftly, transparently, and directly. Through Relief Link Jamaica, affected individuals can submit applications, upload proof of damage, and share their stories through photos, videos, and testimonials, all from their mobile devices. Each applicant is then mapped by parish, community, and GPS coordinates, allowing for precise tracking and response planning. I quote, "We created Relief Link Jamaica to bring order, accountability, and humanity to how disaster aid is delivered," said George Henry, founder and CEO of Appfinity Technology Limited. Importantly, Relief Link Jamaica is a completely free platform. No money or goods are received by Appfinity Technology. All donations go directly to verified relief partners and affected individuals through established, trusted channels. In response to the widespread devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa, Limitless Transformation Coaching and Training Services has partnered with the Small Business Association of Jamaica to support the recovery of small businesses in St. Elizabeth, one of the parishes hardest hit by the storm. Through this collaboration, Limitless Transformation will donate 50% of the proceeds from its upcoming virtual program, Breaking Free from Burnout, to assist affected entrepreneurs and community businesses in rebuilding their operations and restoring livelihoods. Elizabeth Terry, founder and CEO of Limitless Transformation, says, and I quote, "This initiative allows us to bring purpose to our practice, supporting emotional recovery through our program while contributing directly to the physical and economic rebuilding of the communities that need it most," end quote. President of the SBAJ, Mr. Garnett Reed, commended the initiative, noted, and I quote, "We welcome this partnership with Limitless Transformation as a shining example of small businesses helping small businesses," end quote. For the trading period ending November 13, 2025, these were the most actively traded stock. Carreras Limited with 5,364,359 units, representing 33.92% of market sales volume. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,068,697 units, representing 13.08% of market sales volume. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,981,698 units, representing 12.53% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 13, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $37 $1.87 million purchased and US $48.69 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.91 per dollar, selling the US at $159.48 and buying the US at $161.39. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.44 per transaction, with selling at $115.26 and buying at $113.82. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.12 in profits, with selling at $212.49 and buying at $210.37. For our credit report tip of the day, use your credit report to kickstart your disaster recovery. When crisis hits, clarity matters. Your credit report gives you the facts you need to rebuild with confidence. Take these 10 rapid fire actions. Pull all credit reports. Get the full financial picture. Fix errors immediately. Do not let mistakes hold you back. List every debt. Know what's urgent and what can wait. Call every creditor. Ask about hardship and relief options. Review available credit. So you want to identify resources that you can tap into safely. And then use the aid strategically. Direct insurance or relief funds where it matters most. Then prioritize smart payments. Target high interest or high impact debts first. Build a recovery timeline. It's recommended you set clear 30, 60, and 90-day goals, and then monitor consistently. Watch for errors, fraud, or new changes. And then get expert support. Guidance from a financial coach speeds up recovery. Your credit report becomes your action plan, not your obstacle. So start today. In our funded and focused feature, women, this is your moment to get funded and focused. Your credit tells a story, one that can either limit you or push you forward. When you understand that story, you gain the clarity to pursue bigger goals, take smarter risks, and position yourself for real financial growth. A credit readiness snapshot gives you exactly what you need to move with certainty. It's a clear breakdown of your current credit standing, and it offers guidance on what needs attention and why it matters. It offers practical steps to strengthen your financial profile, and it also offers a strategy to position yourself for loans, grants, and business fundings. And this also gives you confidence to make decisions rooted in knowledge, not fear. So many women carry dreams that never grow because they feel uncertain about their financial picture. But once you see where you stand, something powerful happens. You begin to move, you begin to plan, you begin to expect more. And that expectation shifts everything. You deserve access to opportunity. You deserve capital that supports your goals. You deserve a financial path that matches your ambition. Getting funded isn't luck, it's preparation, it's clarity, it's readiness. If you are determined to strengthen your financial position and step boldly towards your goals, this is the step that sets the tone for everything that comes next. So let's get you funded, let's get you focused, and let's get you moving toward the life and business you know you're meant to build. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.